Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so the feature installs cleanly. First, make sure your iPad 10th Gen is on the newest iPad OS. Apple Intelligence requires the updated system. Next, sign into your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication because Apple ties personalized intelligence to your account. Once done, free at least 10 to 20% of storage and connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired network. This speeds downloads and avoids corrupted installs. Now you enable and configure Apple Intelligence itself. After installing the system update, open Settings and find Apple Intelligence under General or directly in Settings. Toggle on the main Intelligence switch, then grant permissions for photos, messages, mail, calendar, and notes so suggestions can learn context. This is why access matters. Make sure to review privacy controls, turn on device processing where available to keep sensitive data local, and choose which apps can surface intelligent suggestions. Finish by completing the interactive setup prompts. You may be asked to refine personalization or train Siri for voice recognition. Do that now to improve accuracy. Then test key features. Ask Siri for summaries, try inline writing suggestions, and verify live text and image insights work. If something fails, first reboot the iPad, confirm iPad OS is current, and recheck permissions. If needed, reset Apple Intelligence settings in Settings and repeat the enable steps. This usually clears configuration glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.